Please introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Ujjwal Jain from Electronics Department, IIT Kharagpur, with specialization in microelectronics and VLSI engineering. And my current CGPA is 8.4, and I got a pre-placement offer from Graphics.
Okay, you got a pre-placement offer. So tell us something about starting. Tell us about it.
Actually, I didn't get the internship through department, so I applied off campus to Mentor Graphics by getting a contact from their website and just mailing my resume to them.
Okay.
Then I got my internship over there. I worked day and night a bit hard over there. Then at the end, in the last week, they took my written test and 3 technical interviews.
Okay. Now tell us something about the written test.
Okay. The written test had 3 sections: a hardware section, a software section, and an analytical section. Analytical section consisted of puzzles, general puzzles,
Okay.
and software general C questions, C puzzles, and hardware was to just design circuits, some basic circuits.
Okay. Tell us about the difficulty level of that written paper.
Actually, as I am from electronics department, my electronics background, so I felt difficulty in puzzle section because I haven't been so fluent in that puzzle solving, and software section.
Okay.
So after like giving the written test, I uh, went through all the website. I practiced a lot of C puzzles and general puzzles.
Okay. Then after the written test, you went to the interview round.
Yeah, I had 3 technical interviews
Okay.
of each section.
Okay. Okay. Then tell us about it.
So actually, as I had like good score in electronics section, so they didn't take the interview in electronics.
Okay.
So they took interview for my C, for checking my C skills and analytical skills.
Okay.
So for preparing for C, I read Ritchie and Carlingan book,
Yeah.
C book.
Founders of C.
Yeah, founders of C, and just went through some blogs and general websites.
There was a time gap between the two.
Yeah, they gave me some time for practicing and for preparing for the interview. 2-3 days.
2-3 days. Okay. So how did you fare well in those technical rounds?
Sorry.
I mean, how did you do in those 2 rounds?
Actually, my first round was not so good of C skills.
C skills. Yeah.
Yeah, so I prepared more and more. I went through all the websites, general website. In blogs also, people give what questions previously have been asked. So I just went through. I just gave like practiced more, maybe around 150 to 200 questions practice. So I got, and basically they asked on very basics of C, like how break loop works, how for loop works, while loop, what are the like some exceptions in each of the statements. So the questions were based on that one only.
Okay. And in the aptitude round?
Aptitude, they asked me puzzles, so it was easier for me.
But initially you had faced difficulty in the written round.
Yeah, but actually after practicing, they asked me simple puzzles.
Okay.
So I just cracked all of them.
Okay. And after that?
After that, they took my HR round, just
HR
to
round?
check one.
Okay. How many were there in the panel of HR?
My project manager
Huh?
and HR manager.
Okay.
So they asked me what I want to do in future, like MBA, if I'm pursuing MBA or GRE.
So what did you tell them?
I told them like in that case I was being diplomatic. I told them like I cannot go for GRE. It's a like family problem. They don't want to send me. And for MBA, I think I want to do some work in core job. Then I will move to MBA if required.
So they liked the answer.
Yeah, they like the answer. So
Okay. And how much time did the HR round take place?
with project manager, it took around maybe half an hour.
Half an hour.
And with HR manager, it was
Okay, both were separate.
yeah, both were separate, and with HR manager, it was with maybe 10 minutes or so.
Could you tell us what they were actually looking for in the candidates, these people?
What I feel is actually the work was on Verilog VSDL, so you must have some basic knowledge of Verilog VSDL and some good skills, like some good skills in English, then electronics, then C++, because this is EDA company, Mentor Graphics is EDA company.
Okay.
So they look for C skills also.
Okay.
C skills, some analytical skills. Just in simple terms, a confident person and maybe a skilled person having good knowledge in every field.
Any final word you want to give to the aspirants?
Yeah, lot of tutorials, lot of work is present on internet. Various blogs have already been written, like what previous questions have been they have faced in like Microsoft, Infosys. Just go through them. They give a lot of help in preparing.
Thank you.
Okay, fine.